These are the blocks that were left over from the sidewalk project up front. I put them in the bottom of my little wagon and brought them down here to the patio, and then I had to hand carry them down here. So this is the next project. I like to sit here and supervise. So these blocks are going to go right here in this mud hole. And he's going to build a little patio so I can put my chair there without sinking into the mud. The big flagstones that we dug up from the front yard are down here now, waiting to go along this wall, because when it rains a lot, the terraces drain and this becomes very soppy and you will stick in. So since we have these, so we don't know what to do with them, we're going to put them along the wall here so we can have a pathway to get to the other side of the yard. So there's the project. This project is mostly finished. The only thing it needs is the cement sand to be put down on the blocks to help stabilize them. And when Bruce is cutting the grass or something, and I have all the weeding done, I like to sit here on my chair and make sure that he's okay. And there's my chair on the supervisor's platform. Thanks for watching, and see you all later.